Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will review the journal article with the title Verbal and Nonverbal Communication Insights from EFL Classroom Interactions. Was authored by Muhammad Hollandia, Dian Erlina, Leni Marzulina, Herizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Faras Junior. Purpose of the study: the aim was to investigate the types and functions of verbal and nonverbal communication in EFL classes at SMA YPI Tunas Bangsa Palembang. Design of the study: this study uses a qualitative research methodology with a case study design. The process involves the analysis of speech in the form of verbal and nonverbal communication used by teachers in the classroom. Location and participant of the study. This study was conducted in one of the English classes at SMA YPI Tunas Bangsa, Palembang. Participants included an English teacher and students from the English class. Participant selection was carried out through the purposive sampling technique. Data collections. Data were collected through interviews using 16 semi-structured open-ended questions recorded with voice recorders, with teachers and observations recorded in video and photographic form of the classroom teaching and learning process involving participants. Data analysis. Data collected from interviews and observations were transcribed and analyzed using thematic analysis. Major findings: types of verbal communication. Two types of verbal communication were identified among teachers: oral and written. Nonverbal kind of communication: the teacher uses a variety of nonverbal methods, including facial expressions, language and posture, gestures, eye contact, appearance, touch, and personal space. Verbal communication function: to explain concepts clearly and improve students' understanding. Nonverbal communication functions: convey emotional signals, set the teaching atmosphere, maintain class control, express appreciation, grab students' attention, increase student focus, provide motivation, and emphasize important points. Connection with relevant studies. These findings are relevant to the analysis of verbal interaction between students and teacher in the classroom. It was authored by Firdaus and Nurul Fitri, 2018. Findings: that the main article found that the function of verbal communication is to findings that verbal communication can foster closer relationships between students and teachers, improving students' ability to absorb lesson effectively. The main article found that the function of verbal communication is to explain concepts clearly and improve students' understanding. This is in line with Firdaus' finding that verbal communication is key to help students absorb lesson effectively, which is reinforced by the teacher's role as a coach and mentor who guides students. In this article, the observed teachers use oral communication for presentations and conversation, and written communication for notes, modules and assignment. All of these efforts are manifestations of verbal communication that aims to create conducive relationships and increase understanding, according to the findings of the Firdaus study 2018. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.